kid, George? He beat up Sam.
No.
What do you think you're doing? Oh my God!
He's a real pig.
I say we smoke that ham.
Do you believe in God?
It's a weird question.
Aren't you supposed to be in school?
You're not Dad.
Come here.
Yeah, right, I'm not dead. Something's gotta happen, Sam. Someone's gotta give.
If you could snap your fingers right now and you would drop dead in his tracks, would you do it?
I'm inviting you to a party for Sam. Now, I know that you two have been having some trouble lately, but you know what? You're always talking about how cool you are. Be some good, clean fun, don't you think?
That fat freak deserves whatever he's got coming to him.
It's a beautiful day for a boat trip with some buddies.
What are you doing?
Making a documentary.
Yeah, you love it, don't you?
Gotta learn to live life on the edge.
Kid doesn't just attack for no reason.
You always attack for no reason.
Shut your trap.
You want to give George Porgy a little taste of his own medicine?
If we hurt him, we'd be just as bad as him.
I want to call it off.
He's a spoiled punk who beat up your brother. I'm a man who likes to follow through with his plans.
What have you been planning?
Start the game.
Everyone's gonna find out what we did if the video camera gets found.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Kids like us have accidents all the
This
time.
wasn't just an accident.
You've got a better idea than you better spit it out.
Remember when you said we could never be forgiven?
Get over to help us!
You always gotta go with the best idea you've got. Otherwise you're just left laying around not knowing what to do.
I think you think that there's this sort of bond between us because of what we went through.
Well, everything means something to someone. Everything happens for a reason. It was meant to be so special. I brought champagne. I brought a ring. I was going to propose to you.
I love you.
I love you too. None of us had let go. We could have saved him. But I let go of the rope. I let go.
If you hadn't, I'd be sitting here without you.
Hello!
Hello, mate. It's Jen from the Balloons. I was wondering whether you'd like to meet up.
Where are you?
I'm in the park across the street.
You know, we've both been through this awful experience. You've got to stop following me like this. It's getting a bit weird.
Then why is he following you anywhere? What have you
I
done?
haven't done anything. Could you just leave me alone?
We must stop meeting like this.
What do you want?
You know what I want.
I don't!
I think you do. Better than you think.
If this is about Claire, we can work it out. Oh my God. He's there.
You are such a good person, okay?
What have I done to you? Why are you keeping this up? I can't control my emotions as well as you can. I know this gives you power over me.
You're mad. I'm just trying to help you, John.
You started this. You made this happen.
Where are you? Where are you? I'm waiting!
Where there's a will, there's a way.
If you ever bother me again, I will cut you like a fish. Do you understand me?
If you should ever leave me, then life would go on, believe me. The world would show nothing to me. God only knows what I'd be. Where I'd be without you.
IP. Inconspicuous, covers his tracks, never leaves a witness. So how did Orion find him? Before we did.
I knew I was right about you, Harold. Next off, Ron, pull into it.
Because I wouldn't want to do this at 70 miles an hour.
Wounds indicate he was strangled from behind.
After an extensive search of Harold A. Speck's property, we found the remains of 9 people. This man is targeting serial killers.
You're telling me this guy gets no scumbags. You realize how insane that is?
What if it isn't?
Special Agent Benjamin Orion.
He's FBI. You ever heard of a project called Icarus? It's agents trained to see distant locations using nothing but the mind. They call it remote viewing. They use it to track down serial killers.
Remote viewer to commence in 3, 2, 1.
You did it right. You got it all. The way it sounded, the way it smelled. We saw things men shouldn't see. Agony, evil, darkness. We were plugged right into it. That's when we lost it. No one taught us how to turn it off. Imagine that serial killer that could cross the entire country without ever getting caught. Someone called Suspect Zero.
I think we've got an obsessive compulsive here.
What if there really is a Suspect Zero and Orion is the one guy who's got a shot at him?
I'm worried about you.
We're right on the edge of this thing. Come on.
How do we know he isn't the guy?
Could Orion be Suspect Zero? I don't think you're gonna know until you find Orion. Are you afraid?
For years, in a small German town, Schultze and his friends worked the salt mines. Until the day they were forced to retire with a chunk of salt and a lot of nothing. Now Schultze has a new calling that's about to change everything. And a new passion for Zydeco that will take him to America. But he never imagined he'd find a new lease on life in the land of the red, white, and blues. Presenting the German box office sensation about a quiet man with a song in his heart.